Hello everyone! Welcome back to our home video cooking tutorial.
Today's video is we are going to make our homemade Buchi Halaya. In the mixing bowl, we are going to mix our ingredients: 3 cups of glutinous rice, 1/2 cup of rice flour, 3/4 cups of white sugar, 1/2 cup of mashed sweet potato, 1 1/4 cup warm water, and mix it well. Mix until it gets the desired texture. After that, allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. After it rested, we are ready to make our buchi with ubi filling. Once it's done, we are going to coat it with sesame seeds. We are now ready to fry our homemade Buchi Halaya. Preheat the frying pan with vegetable oil on a low heat setting to avoid burning our buchi. And now, here is our homemade Buchi Halaya. Thank you so much for watching your home cooking dreams.